I have a refrigerator ripened Hass avocado. Give it a spin. Ooh, nice. Look at that. That is beautiful. I'm supposed to save these, so I want to start saving them. Figure out what I'm going to do with them. Obviously, I'm going to wash them off. I have a nice thing about refrigerator ripening avocados is the skin peels right off. And something about ripening them in the refrigerator is they last longer. Take one of these, throw it in a container with a lid, spray it with coconut spray. It'll last a week. But look how easy that peels. Normally you do an avocado and the next day it's garbage. But look how nice that comes out, right? I am a cooking channel. Alright, wait for it. I cleaned my avocado seed. Don't know how many days, weeks, months, but nice slices. And then always cut it down the middle. And then put it on whatever you want. And that's how I was taught how to do avocado. Hass avocados. Don't know what we're going to do with that, but we're going to start saving our seeds for whatever we're going to do with them. But that's my dinner. Love it.